Hello guys, so today we're going to learn about file handling in Python. File handling is an important aspect of Python programming. So to begin with, let's learn how to open and write file. So opening and reading files with open example text. R is read, S file, and contents file read, print contents. So yeah, and opening and writing files with open output text. W is writing, S file write. Let's go hello world. So basic. So this code above demonstrates how to open, read, and write text files. Now let's learn about exception handling. Exception handling is a way of dealing with errors that can occur during programming execution. So exception handling, try number int input, enter an integer, result 10, non-print result as a result, except 0 division error, print cannot divide by 0 except value error, print please enter a valid integer. So let's run this code and understand how file handling and exception handling work by displaying the result on the screen. So you can see this is the result. So this code above promotes the user through input, converts it to an integer, and handles exceptions for division by 0 or valid input. You've now learned about file handling and exception handling through a brief introduction and example code. In our next video, we will dive into functions and modules tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy my video and see you soon. Bye.